Okay guys, on YouTube, this is Bryant coming at you with a video. I just placed another sculpture. Just kind of let you guys see what we did.
Hello Brian, this is my daughter Shayna.
Ah, okay.
Pull the button on top.
Yeah.
Pull the button up.
And pull the gate open. How are you?
Amazing.
Thank you.
They look so great.
Thank you.
Perfect. You got to take some good pictures.
You
Yeah.
want me to take a picture of you up there with them at all, or you just want pictures of the art?
Of
You.
me? You did?
No, but you want with your camera.
Oh no, that'd be
good.
that'd be cool. Yeah, I think yours. I like your pictures.
Bye, Shayna.
Okay, so this next one. Yeah. Okay, YouTube, this is Bryant coming at you with a video. I just installed this piece. We call it the Heart of Man. It is all stainless steel, and there's the red glass section is a stoplight that we had shipped in from Florida. After one of the hurricanes, we had it shipped in from Florida. We also installed this piece about a year ago. It was on December 28th. It was cold as anything. So I made this piece, and I made another piece that I'll show you in just a second. Made them at the same time to have them installed here. And we call this Prism. It's stainless steel, and the base and the side is Cor-Ten. So I just do a little mixture of metals just to give it some interest. And it's called Prism. It's a triangle shape that we call Prism. It's a Cor-Ten and stainless steel mix. It's just something that I like to do just for the contrast. It stands about 6 feet tall, somewhere in there. And this one stands about 5'7", 5'8", somewhere in there. And again, it's all stainless steel. And then this one we call Flags. Another all stainless steel piece. It stands about 6 feet 4 or 5 inches, somewhere in there. Again, stainless steel. This husband and wife has bought 3 pieces from us, and they're wanting another piece just to complete their backyard. And these pieces set atop of a little knee wall area, if you will. And then they have an in-ground pool, so they can see the pieces from the pool deck area. Really a nice yard. Really quite nice. Alright guys, just want to give you a look on what I'm doing. I just reinstalled that piece this morning. I just took it out, made a couple cleanups on some welds and delivered it back to them. Like I said, I made these pieces, those 2 pieces in December, and I was rushing doing those, and I had another really large piece that I was making for a lady, and we were getting 2 of our rental properties ready to sell, so I was just really running, and then trying to finish these pieces by December 28th because he wants to surprise his wife with them. So just in my rush, I just didn't do a couple welds as large as I would like them, so I came and delivered this piece yesterday and just looked at it and saw it, so I just took it back to the shop and just re-tigged some of the welds and added some additional welds. But that's a part of the business, just trying to do it as best you can for your customers, and they will always come back to you with more business, and they will tell their friends about you, and that's just more business, just more repeat business. That's what you want, so you're not having to constantly scramble to find new customers to buy your art. All right, guys, so just want to let you guys know what I was doing. And so I'll get back with you on the next video. All right, thanks. This is Bryant Tubbs. Peace out. Bye.